In this video, I want to tell you how to delete your Bigo Live account for those who want to delete it permanently. If you no longer need to use your Bigo Live account, if you need to delete your account, you can delete your Bigo Live account using this method. Enter into your account profile. Then find Settings in Profile and enter. Once you are in Settings, find Account Management and enter. Okay. Once you've reached this point, pull down to the bottom. After reaching the Account Ownership section to delete your account, you should see Delete Account below. Click on Delete Account. Click on Next. Click Confirm and continue to delete the account permanently. You need to read this paragraph carefully before permanently deleting your account. Once the account is deleted, the account cannot be restored. Read the messages carefully and then proceed. If you are sure to delete your account, please tick here to agree. Okay, after that, click Delete Account to delete the account. Before clicking Delete Account, you need to read these messages carefully. After deleting your account, if you want to return it within 20 days, you can log in again. If you are sure to delete the account, click Delete Account. Okay, your Bigo Live account has been permanently deleted. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my ITNet channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you next video.